What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This past weekend I had the honor to be part of the American Cancer Society Range Day put on by the boys from Illinois. That's BOIS. You should check them out on Instagram and YouTube. Basically, this was kind of a range day / learning experience. So we got together, we ran some drills. There was a preceptor there, run guns. Dude is phenomenal. He put out some great information. You should check him out on Instagram. So basically I sat back, just wanted to soak up all the information from these high-speed dudes. So there's not a ton of commentary in this video. You're just going to see a lot of us just kind of learning, shooting together, and so on and so forth. I did want to mention there were some sponsors for the range day. First and foremost, all that steel that you guys see us shooting in the video is from Tata Targets. All the shirts that we were wearing were donated by the Howitzer brand clothing company. You should check them out. They make some awesome kit. Other sponsors were Shadow Systems and Neomag, Urban Medical Gear, Crash Med Solutions, Edge Firearm Training. Big shout out to Jake, Lighthouse Dynamics, and then also I was lucky enough to win a holster that was donated by A&R Designs. I'm a big fan of their gear, and I picked one out for my P10C with the APLC light. So look for an upcoming video where I'm going to review that. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Check out the video, and thanks for watching. Good. Good.
You ready? Stand by. Good. Kind of did this thing where you went, oh shit, I need to shoot. I need to shoot. Okay, I can move now. Oh shit, I need to shoot. If you just slow down your like in between time and just move slow and steady, you'll find your sight balances a little bit better. You don't get as much bounce. And then if you kind of drop your hips a little bit and then do the ninja heel toe walk.
So just run slower.
Yeah. So
squat a little bit more.
So you were like, you came out and you were like, I need to shoot. I need to shoot. And you went, I shoot. Real fast here. And you're doing it because you're thinking you're saving time, but if you just find the balance in that speed, and drop your ass a little bit, you'll find that your sight
stays on target better.
Stays more level, stays on target, and you'll have a better sight picture
for sure.
It's kind of one of those weird little things that doesn't make sense, but it works. 5 rounds. That's 15. We'll move up. Man's done. Stop. Another 2 to 5 rounds.
Shoot!
Stand by. Go.